people, to some extent, do take air conditioning for granted from the standpoint that it's expected that the house is going to be cold. And so delivering a unique experience on the heating and air conditioning side and navigating the waters of our industry is tough. You can't feel it or have it in your home until you've made the investment. And so some of the decision process for customers is based on trust. We're a 70-year-old, third-generation business. I wouldn't have anyone working here that I didn't want in my own home. And it's a very important thing to me. And so it is a responsibility, and we take the responsibility of the legacy of quality that Vogel has provided to customers for now 70 years. We take it very seriously. It's family. We take it home with us. It means a lot. It's just as common for me to be on the phone during the course of a workday with a giant construction client on a multi-million-dollar job as it is for someone's grandmother to call me with a problem and I'm helping to solve that problem on a job. The install starts when we answer the phone, when the customer calls, and it continues through consultation in a customer's home, fact gathering, making sure we have all of the information we need to deliver what we said we were going to deliver. A lot of people used to fix their own cars in their driveway, and those days they're falling behind because the technology is so robust. You've got to be an expert. We're in the same place in our industry. The manufacturers are developing their products so quickly that there are benefits they're building into newer equipment that unless you have very robust processes, they aren't delivered. So we have guys specialized in different technologies so that when it comes time to deliver that experience, we've got someone who can do it. Because a customer can't test drive an air conditioning system before it's installed, there's a leap of faith. We take a giant amount of pride and responsibility to understand that we made a promise to a customer that we were going to deliver a better experience. We make sure we deliver it. And the opportunity to be the custodian of a business that's had that much goodwill over 55 years is a pretty unique experience.